Okurugira harima Jason Samwaka kansala w'okushwekera abantu abaine oburema aha mibiri yaabo nagira ngu omuriro guno gubaasa kuba gukomokera ahari kanduro.
Tari omu maka abaire ahingire tariyo isi abaire tariyo n'abaana abaire nibaruga omu ishomero obu bakarugire omu ishomero abaana batugambira basanga enju esha. Hati tulimu nitwibuuza abaana batugambira mazima oba hati tulimu nitubuuza mbora kuseruza mbora kimanya kurungi n'okutumanye enju yasheta.
So we started removing the properties. Some of the properties at least have been recovered. Few of them have got banned, but at least most of the properties we have recovered them. So a few minutes we saw the police fire brigade came and set off the fire. So at least the neighbors have done a lot of work to put off the fire.
Now, I maybe advise people who use electricity and people who live home, young children. It's not right because a young child may even forget to put off the charcoal stove after cooking, which may spark off a problem at the end. But so far, the house that has been burnt down, we have not yet established the cause of the fire, but I say bravo to police which has put down the fire.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Mhanguzo muri Kasese.